Hello, warm little crafters and cool creators. Welcome back to Professor Hoot's Crafty Corner. Professor Hoot has a refreshing project for Sunny the Snake, who often basks in the sun. Professor Hoot hissed Sunny the Snake gently, "It's a warm day in the forest. What can we make to create a breeze?" Professor Hoot fanned himself with a wing. "Today, Sunny the Snake, we are making a classic accordion fold paper fan. A simple and elegant way to create your own cool breeze on a warm day." Sunny the Snake swayed. "A fan, Professor Hoot? That I can make from paper to cool my scales?" "Precisely, Sunny the Snake. You'll need a rectangular piece of paper. Pretty patterned paper makes a lovely fan." Professor Hoot chose a paper with a leafy green pattern. Like a shady spot under a tree, Sunny the Snake. Lay your paper flat, with one of the shorter sides facing you, Sunny the Snake. We are going to make a series of accordion folds, also known as concertina folds. Start at the short edge closest to you. Fold up a small strip of paper, perhaps about half an inch to an inch wide, or 1 to 2 centimeters. Make a sharp crease. Sunny the Snake used his nose to help press the first fold. Excellent. Now, flip your entire paper over, Sunny the Snake. And fold that same edge up again, by the same amount, making another crease right on top of your previous fold, but from the other side. Now flip it back over to the original side. Fold the paper up again by the same amount, creating another parallel crease. You are essentially folding the paper back and forth, like a zigzag or the bellows of an accordion, Sunny the Snake. Professor Hoot demonstrated the back and forth motion. Each fold should be the same width. Continue this process, fold, flip, all the way to the other end of your rectangular paper. Sunny the Snake patiently helped nudge the paper for each fold. When you reach the end, you should have a long, narrow strip of pleated paper. "It looks like a paper spring," Professor Hoot observed Sunny the Snake. "It does. Now, hold all those pleats tightly together at one end, Sunny the Snake. This will be the handle of your fan. You can secure this handle by wrapping a small piece of tape around it, or tying it tightly with a piece of string or a small rubber band." Professor Hoot used a small piece of strong vine to tie the base. Once the handle end is secured, Sunny the Snake, you can gently spread out the other end of the pleated paper. The folds will open up like a beautiful semicircle, creating the fan. Sunny the Snake watched as Professor Hoot fanned out the top. The leafy green paper formed a graceful arc. Professor Hoot gave it a gentle wave, and a soft breeze wafted towards Sunny the Snake. "Oh, that's a lovely cool breeze, Professor Hoot," hissed Sunny the Snake contentedly, swaying in the gentle air. A simple yet effective creation, Sunny the Snake, perfect for a warm afternoon. "I shall use this when I sunbathe on my favorite warm rock." A very good idea, Sunny the Snake, to stay cool and comfortable. And so, resourceful crafters, you've learned to make an elegant and cooling paper fan. A wonderful accessory for warm weather, or just a pretty decoration. What patterns or colors will your fan have? Will you make a tiny one or a large one? You can even glue two similarly folded fans together at their handles to make a full circle fan. Thank you for joining Professor Hoot's Crafty Corner for this refreshing paper project. If you're feeling cooler already, give this video a breezy thumbs up. And please subscribe for more delightful paper crafts and cool creations. Happy folding, everyone, and may you always find a way to make your own breeze. Until next time, keep crafting, keep cooling, and keep creating with flair.